Hi viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how you are going to write a perfect cover letter for a job. In this video I am going to show you the perfect steps that you have to include in your cover letter that makes your cover letter best among the other candidates. The cover letter provides a detailed information on why you are qualified for the job you are applying for. You are also not simply going to repeat all of your information on your resume to your cover letter. Rather, include specific information on why you are a strong match for the employer's job requirement that really going to attract the reader's mind. The first thing that you are going to write on your cover letter is your contact information, your employer contact information, and then a salutation part. So for your contact information, you have to make a header and then write all of your information that we called a sender's information. And then on the left side of your cover letter, you have to include your manager or your recipient information if you have, and then the salutation part for your recipient. The first paragraph of your cover letter must include all of your information that why you are writing the cover letter. You have to mention the job position you are applying for. You also have to name the mutual contract if you have. You must be very clear and concise in your request, and you have to write some of your goals to get the reader's attention. Write your skills and your experience that really going to match the current job position. You can write this thing in a bullet form as well. Then the second paragraph contain what you are going to offer for your employee. So you have to write some of your interest to the job, make a strong connection between your qualification and job requirement. You have to highlight your skills, and then you have to write some of your career goals with your past achievement. Make sure write the example from your past achievement to attract a reader. Then the third and the last paragraph is a thanking a reader for the time, reiterate your interest into the position and how you will follow up next. So in this one you are just going to write bit of your skills and your qualification again with the current job position to show a reader that you are a best candidate among others. Then a complimentary clause. You have to mention either sincerely or respectfully for your recipient, and then at the end you have to do your signature. If you are going to follow all the steps in your CV properly, then surely you are going to be approved for the interview. Thank you for watching the video. For more, subscribe our channel.